Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, from the question, given that suppose you decide to drop a melon from the wrist from the first observation platform of the Eiffel Tower. The initial height from which the melon is released is 58.3 meter above the head of your friend peer. So here height is 58.3 meter and who is standing on the ground right below you. At the same instant you release the melon fury shoots an arrow straight up with the initial velocity of 25.1 meter per second. So velocity of an arrow is 25.1 meter per second. Find the following. So here we need to find how long after you drop the melon will the arrow hit it and what height above its head does this collision occur. So first one, V relative is equal to 25.1 meter per second. So acceleration relative is equal to 0. So here the S relative height is 58.3. So S relative is equal to V relative times T. So from this T is equal to 58.3 divided by 25.1 which is equal to 2.3225. Therefore the value of T is equal to 2.3225 seconds. And for part B, H1 is equal to V arrow times T minus half GT square. So that is equal to 25.1 times 2.322 minus half G is 9.8 times 2.322 the whole square. So here the value of H1 for further simplification we obtain 31.862 meter. Now let us move on to part C. Part C, BF of melon is equal to GT. So that is equal to 9.8 times of 2.322. So here we conclude that VF of melon will be 22.755 meter per second. Now the velocity of arrow VF of arrow is equal to V arrow minus GT. So that is equal to V arrow is 25.1 minus GT is 22.755. So we conclude that VF of arrow will be 2.344 meter per second. Now for part D we need to create a graph. So let it be x-axis B represents the time t and y is here. So here it will be of the form, this is melon and this is arrow. So from this point, that is intersection point, will be 31.862. Here it is. T is 2.322. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.